So this is Sheikh May Station, exit A. So you can see there is a May Hay House. So we need to cross this traffic light and then we go to straight forward and then we can see there's a school and then magliko tayo dyan. Daanan mo itong mga small Buddha. Mga gods nila.
看有空调，可不出汗的。
So we reach in the entrance, so you need to pila. Pila, pila, pila.
Bababa na. Ang ganda. Ay, nag-video.
Dito lang? Dito lang pala? Wala na bang iba? Doon tayo, doon tayo. Uy, dali mo, group picture. Dali, imahit.
So yan lang po, and dito na tatapos yung ating trip. Thank you for joining with us. Bye bye, see you next time.